Hello, and welcome back to my lab. Today we are going to make sodium carbonate from sodium bicarbonate that you can buy at a normal pharmacy. So to start, we are going to get a pan and put it on a hot plate. We will now pour the sodium bicarbonate into the pan and we will heat it on high heat. And now we are going to heat while stirring the sodium bicarbonate until it decomposes into sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide gas and water. Water causes it to start clumping together, and that's why we see clumping here. We will now see like bubbles forming, and that's this carbon dioxide gas escaping. After we no longer see bubbles forming, that means the reaction is done. We will turn off the hot plate. And to test if we really have sodium carbonate, we can take a little bit with a spoon and put it in some water. After we measure the pH, we will see that the pH is higher than the sodium bicarbonate. We will now put it in a beaker to measure how much we got. After measuring how much I've got, I found 158 grams, and that's a 99.8% yield. And not gonna lie, that's impressive. I'm going to store it now in a bottle, and that's going to be its permanent storage. I'm now going to end this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe and comment what you think about it.